Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going inside a giant carpet factory to discover how raw fibers become beautiful luxury carpets.
Careful palletizing protects the carpets during storage and transportation. Every shipment is prepared for efficient handling. This enormous facility transforms simple fibers into luxury carpets used around the world. But every carpet begins with carefully selected raw materials. Quality at this stage determines the performance of every finished product. Compressed fibers are carefully released without damaging their natural structure. This prepares them for the many processing stages ahead. Before manufacturing begins, every batch is carefully inspected. Even small impurities can affect the appearance of the final carpet. The color saturation on the red fibers is excellent under the bright field.
Yes, and the texture analysis shows very little variance.
Proper storage protects the fibers from moisture and contamination. Careful organization also keeps production moving without interruption. Once preparation is complete, the fibers begin moving deeper into the factory. The next stage will transform these loose materials into strong, continuous yarn. Every machine is carefully prepared before production starts. Accurate calibration ensures every strand of yarn meets exact manufacturing standards. The raw materials are finally ready for their first major transformation. In the next chapter, the prepared fibers now enter the first major processing stage. Carding separates and aligns every strand into a smooth, uniform layer for spinning. The loose fibers gradually gain strength through gentle twisting. This intermediate form prepares them for the final spinning process. Spinning transforms soft fiber into durable yarn. Every rotation strengthens the thread while maintaining a consistent diameter. Continuous monitoring ensures each spool meets strict production standards. Uniform yarn is essential for flawless carpet weaving. Before color can be added, every spool is carefully sorted. Accurate organization keeps the manufacturing process running efficiently. Color preparation requires exact measurements and careful control. Even slight differences can change the appearance of the finished carpet. The yarn absorbs color evenly under carefully controlled conditions. This process creates the vibrant shades that define each carpet design. Drying stabilizes the newly applied color while protecting the yarn structure. Careful cooling prepares it for the next manufacturing stage.
The yarn is now fully prepared for carpet production. In the next chapter, these colorful threads will be transferred.
The heart of carpet manufacturing begins here. Thousands of needles work together to build the carpet surface with remarkable speed and precision. Every stitch must be placed with exact accuracy. Even the smallest variation could affect the carpet's appearance and durability. Advanced automation allows intricate patterns to appear one row at a time. Every color change follows a precisely programmed design. Inspection begins immediately after tufting. Continuous monitoring helps prevent small defects from becoming larger production problems. A strong backing adhesive permanently locks every tuft into place. This hidden layer gives the carpet long-term strength and stability.
The secondary backing reinforces the carp.
Controlled heat permanently cures the adhesive beneath the carpet. This step secures every layer into one durable structure. Brushing restores the carpet's natural appearance after curing. The fibers become softer, cleaner, and more uniform across the entire surface.
The main manufacturing process is now complete, but the work is far from over. In the next chapter, after manufacturing, every carpet enters the finishing department. Here, small refinements make a significant difference in the final appearance. Precision shearing creates a smooth and uniform surface. Every millimeter of pile height is carefully controlled.
Human experience and automated inspection work together. This combination helps maintain consistent quality throughout every roll. Steam finishing improves the carpet's texture and appearance. Controlled heat helps every fiber settle into its final position.
Perfect dimensions are essential for installation and appearance. Every edge is trimmed with exceptional accuracy.
Careful rolling protects the carpet during storage and transportation. Proper alignment prevents damage before delivery.
Secure packaging keeps every carpet protected during handling. Each shipment is prepared for the next stage of inspection. The carpets now look complete, but appearance alone is not enough. In the next chapter, every carpet now enters its final quality inspection. Only products that meet strict standards continue to the shipping department.
The sensor detected a deviation right here. Yep.
Yes, the pile alignment is slightly off on this segment.
A quality carpet should recover after pressure is removed. These tests verify long-lasting comfort and resilience.
We use the spectrophotometer to measure the slightest shift in color. As you can see, this one shows significant degradation after only 50 hours.
Strong backing and accurate finishing are just as important as appearance. Every structural detail is carefully verified. Careful palletizing protects the carpets during storage and transportation. Every shipment is prepared for efficient handling. Finished carpets are carefully organized before distribution. Efficient warehouse management ensures every order is ready on schedule. Safe transportation begins with careful loading. Every shipment is secured to protect the carpets during long-distance travel.
From the factory, the finished carpets travel across highways and distribution networks. Their destination may be hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away.
Distribution centers organize products for efficient delivery. Careful inventory management keeps orders moving on schedule. Proper installation allows the carpet to perform as intended. Precision at this stage protects the quality created inside the factory. What began as raw fiber has become part of everyday life. Careful manufacturing creates comfort that lasts for years. Every individual fiber reflects the precision of the manufacturing process. Small details combine to create exceptional overall quality.
The Smart Strand fiber is incredibly durable, engineered to resist stains permanently.
It feels amazing too.
Production never truly stops. As one carpet reaches its destination, another begins its journey inside the factory.
From raw fiber to luxury carpet, every stage depends on precision, technology, and skilled craftsmanship.